Hello and welcome back to another episode of Life in Rural Japan. Today we're down here at one of my favorite places to come, Daiju-en, bonsai place. So they have some fantastic bonsais here. The owner is a real bonsai master. He's been doing it all his life. His father started this business and it keeps going on. So stay with me and we'll have a look around and find some really nice bonsai to look at. These are some of the best bonsai you're ever going to find anywhere in Japan. This beauty here, she's 400 years old. It's a real beauty. You've got these ones here. Just the shape of them. And these are being done by one of the best master bonsai fellas in Japan. Mr. Suzuki. This one here, this one of the big bonsai contests a few years ago. You know, if you want to buy one of these, they're going to set you back 100 grand. So summer's pretty hard. They have to water them 3 or 4 times a day. Give them a good soaking. This one here is a real treat with the white and dark wood in it. A lot of these pines. The pines are very popular. Just the texture you get in the wood with the different white and dark. It's pretty hard to beat. My favourites, like this fella here. Just the way it twists and turns, and yeah, absolutely unbelievable. Let's get down here and we get a good look up inside him. It's always amazing to look up in them. It's warming up here today, nice summer's day. It's going to get it about 34 or 35 degrees today. At the moment it's not too bad, it's probably about 28 or so. But look inside here. It's absolutely amazing. The other side of this one, yeah. Unbelievable. Have quite a lot of these big ones here. Look, I like these. Just look at the way you get the different texture. And look at the way you get the in the wood. Fantastic. This one here, it's been grafted. It's a different base to the top. Look at this one here. It's got like rocks growing in it. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. A lot of the littler ones here. These are smaller, but still very nice. Still very stunning. Look at this fella, he's doing a U-turn. He comes up and comes around and comes down. Fantastic. And look at this one, look at the age on the bark. I wonder how they're still alive, some of these. There's sort of nothing left on him. In here he's all hollow. It's all hollowed out, but still alive. Absolutely amazing. Here's another beauty here. Look at the trunk. Just like nothing left of it. It's all hollowed out, but the tree is still alive. It's amazing. You can just see there's hardly anything left on it. You can see through it. Look at the bark, it's just so old. Amazing.